Hi everyone, my name is Chelsea Chambers,
And I'm King,
and we're your co-leaders for the Positive Living Workshop offered at Spectrum Healthcare. In these videos, we wanted to introduce ourselves and talk a bit about what Positive Living Workshop is and what you can expect. So we are calling these our Positive Living Previews. Positive Living is a program that is for anyone with a chronic illness, disease, or anyone caring for someone with a chronic illness or disease. I know that it's helped me out a lot. I myself have a chronic illness. I have had that for over 10 years, some of them over 20, and I've also been caring for someone with a chronic illness. What about you, Kate?
I've been managing a chronic condition too for a little over 10 years, and I have been a caregiver too for family members.
So we have a lot of experience in our own lives with this stuff, and fun fact, if you didn't know, to become a co-leader, you actually have to go through the workshop. So the things we're talking about, we have actually done. So in our workshop, we'll focus on how chronic illnesses affect your life in many ways, and how we can use a variety of skills to manage those ways. Kate, do you mind talking to him about some of the tools that we're going to talk about?
No. So in Positive Living, we have a toolbox, a self-management toolbox. And the tools in that box include physical activity, problem solving, medication management, ways to use your mind more productively, decision making, better understanding our emotions, action planning, better communication, breathing techniques, better sleep, healthy eating, and how to work with our healthcare providers.
So out of those tools, were there anything that really stuck out for you when you went through the program, Kate?
Well, healthy eating was the one that kind of started, that I really got into, and it kind of led me to start working with the other tools in the toolbox. It just kind of like a domino effect.
Like the trickle effect.
Yes, trickle down.
Yeah, and that's kind of my experience. Mine started with, and you know this because we did the workshop together, was understanding emotions. We talk about difficult emotions in the workshop, and we teach you a way of looking at hard emotions in a different way to really understand where they come from. And the same thing happened with me. Once I started, then it was going on to how I communicate with myself and problem solving and all these kinds of things that I still apply in my daily life, I know. What about you, Kate? Do you still use some of these things?
Oh, definitely. And when I stop eating healthy, then all the other tools kind of in the toolbox kind of go to the wayside. And then once I get back onto that, then everything just starts falling back in place again. So maybe one tool, maybe healthy eating might not be the tool that's the best tool for you, but one of the other ones definitely would be, you might find to be a good fit.
We are so excited to offer this program to you guys in January. More information about that is below in the description box, how you can contact us, how you can get more information, how you can register. But we certainly hope to see you in January, and we hope that you enjoy these positive living previews that are coming your way.
We hope you're staying safe and healthy.
Thanks,
See you
guys.
soon.